finally ready to go. So let's go, girls. So we're gonna take a trike down here. This is kind of how they live up here. Narrow walking streets. It is not Walking Street Ambulance, but it's some narrow streets here. It might be different from what we as foreigners have experienced, but I'm getting used to it. And it's a simple lifestyle. A lot of people, you know, think that you give up a lot of the modern things and everything, but we are comfortable here. Hello. So we're waiting for a trike. Alright, hi. Alright, here's our trike, I think. So let's get on it. How do we do this? You sit in here with the kids, I sit in the back?
Yeah, you sit in the back.
Okay, get in with the kids there. Here you go in. You guys sit here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So I'll be in the back of the bike. The driver gave up on us. He took off. I don't know where he went. That's him, right? There's our driver. All right.
Do this tayo, kuya.
Do this.
Careful lang.
Tara, manok!
Trying to hold on here.
Camera!
Yeah. Yeah, so we're on our way to the park. It is a little shaky, but we'll see how the thing does. One thing in the Philippines right now, there's a lot of construction going on everywhere. Alright, so here is the Limay Polytechnic College. Yeah. narrow street, huh? Yeah. Right down here. All right. $40. All you pay? You good? All right. All right, so we're at the park. So this is where the park begins. Then you have a walk down this way. Right. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of stands here today. Something where you can eat somewhere, I'm sure, or drink or whatever. There you have the ships loaded up out here.
Araw dito lang, may tinda dito. Ngayon? Nagsimba po. Mamaya pa yun, no? Today we have a Changi today, but
Where?
later on.
Later?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go out here and walk on the beach side. Let's walk on the beach side. It's one nice thing here is that we now have fresh air. Batasan, Bayan. My, what does that mean? What does that mean, huh?
I don't know batasan.
All right. Yeah, what's that fisherman doing out swimming in the water? Oh, he's picking up nets, right? Way out there, I don't know if you can see him. It's like he's swimming out the nets, setting out some net. It's probably crabs, right?
Yeah.
Going for the crabs. I don't know, but we can walk this way and see what's here. Check where.
It's too early to go here.
Yeah, but it's okay. We get some fresh air.
It's so hot.
Beautiful day though. Might be hot day, but it's a nice day. Yeah.
I think we need to go on that part so we can put our tripod. And
What?
do the landscape.
Yeah. Yeah, we can get up there.
Kaya mainit naman.
It is hot today. Physical therapy building, senior citizens main hall.
If you do a Zumba.
Yeah, I think last time we were here they did that, right? Zumba Zumba. Yeah. But we're a little early today, I guess.
Later on, we have Changi here.
Yeah. It's beautiful though. It's really nice. Beautiful. On a clear day, you can actually see Manila from there, right?
Yeah.
Right across this bay into Manila Bay. Yeah. I think here they had some stands before also. I guess we're early. Yeah, it's nice here. There's a nice breeze here. Huh? I don't. There's no smoking nowhere here. Smoking is banned in all public places in the Philippines. They don't even have restaurants now where you can smoke. It's all shut down. Right? You want to go and get some drinks? You want a drink? You want soda? You want... Alright. Hi guys. Hello. Do you have some Coke? Yeah, the small bottles. Yeah, give me, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Four bottles. Do you have Skyflex?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, it's a vlog. Hey guys. So, you don't mind being on YouTube? It's on YouTube. You see this? Do that on YouTube, you'll find us. Okay? We're vlogging around. Yeah. Give me 4 Skyflex also. Our Life in the Philippines is the name of the channel. All right. All right, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, guys. See you later. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. I'm not afraid.
We've been here relaxing.
Yeah. It's
Lasting for one day and then go back tomorrow.
it's different from Angeles for sure.
Yeah.
Very little traffic, not too many cars.